You to shine your eyes when you go for your Jamb registration, because there's something happening now and I just want to brief you very well in this very video. You can see from the pictures I'm showing that when many of you went to register for get this very book, LEKKI Headmaster, many people have been able to get it, right? Yet many of you keep coming to me to say that they have not been able to get it, they don't know where to get this book, or that they went to register and they are not able to see or get this book. Now pay attention. By the way, I hope you know that this book by now, LEKKI Headmaster, is the official book that Jamb brought out for this year, and it's a book you cannot run away from. It's a book you cannot dodge from, because questions must compulsorily come out from this book, LEKKI Headmaster, by KARBIL ALABI GARBA. There must be questions that you are expected to answer from this book. Okay, so in this video I'm going to help you to get this book, what you need to know as you are registering for your Jamb, so that nobody will cheat you, so that as you register you also get a copy of this book. In our channel, of course, if you have been following this channel, you must have seen or known that we have done a series of videos where we read this book, right? You can see how this person, as he was reading, he was underlining the fact. Getting this book, LEKKI Headmaster, is so crucial, so important, because if you're able to answer the questions that will come from this book, you bring yourself closer to getting 300 in your Jamb. Remember, our goal in this channel, Noble Tutorials, is to help every member of our channel to score at least 300 in Jamb. Do you claim it? This coming Jamb, last year there was massive failure in Jamb, but here in Noble Tutorials we are saying that even if there will be failure this year, that every follower of our channel will not be among those that will fail. You will not be among those that will fail this coming Jamb. So that is why you need to pay attention. In our channel Noble Tutorials, we have read this book for you from chapter 1 to the end. We brought out a video and read and reviewed chapter 1. We brought out another video, we read and reviewed chapter 2. We brought out another video, we read and reviewed chapter 3. That is why, if you have not gotten this book, one of the things you can do for yourself right now is to rush over to our channel and begin to watch all the videos we have done on this book. We have done chapter by chapter review of this book, because it's so crucial, because it's something that none of you can dodge. It's not something somebody can say you don't want to read. It's something very, very compulsory, right? So we have done a video for you on chapter 1 and all the chapters, right? Then we have also gone ahead to do expected questions. There are questions that we are expecting that Jamb will bring out from this very book. There are questions that Jamb will do what? There are questions that we bring out from this very book, and we have been working on it. We have in fact, we have done about 6 or 7 videos. We have exposed 195 expected questions from this book. 195 expected questions from this book. By now, you should know that the book is about a man, Adebayo Adebepo. The guy, the man they called LEKKI Headmaster, he was the principal of Stardom School in a place called Lekki in Lagos. So in our channel, we have reviewed this book, giving you the summary. But now, anytime you go for your Jamb registration, if you have not gone, insist that they give you this book. It's one of the things you are paying for. That is even the essence of this video. Insist that they give you this book. Insist that they give you LEKKI Headmaster. It's one of the things you are paying for. They are supposed to give you a copy of this book when you are registering your Jamb. These big pictures you are seeing are pictures that people snap. Once they are done with their registration, they received a copy. You too ought to receive a copy. You should not leave the place without getting your own copy of the book. It is one of those things you pay for. in your registration. Are you with me? It's one of those things you pay for when you register for your Jamb. Remember, if you want me to send you the link of all the videos we have done on this book, let me know. If you want me to send you the PDF of this book so that you can begin to read it even before you write you go to register and get a physical copy, let me know. It's not free. It's not free, but you can get it from me. If you want me to give you the link of all the interesting videos we have done, reading this book for you chapter by chapter, giving you expected questions, expo questions from the book LEKKI Headmaster. If you also want to get the link of expected question, leaked expo questions we have done on use of English, biology, economics, government, mathematics, and all other Jamb subjects, you let me know. Remember, I said you must score at least 300 in your Jamb. If you claim it, let me know. If you want me to send you free Jamb past questions and free Jamb syllables, what you need to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, then share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Come under the comment of this video and do what? Type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will send all those materials to you. Before then, you need to know that this book is a simple book to read. It's not one of those books that are so voluminous. This book is just about 64 pages, right? It's a simple book, simply 64 pages book that if you begin to read this book, LEKKI Headmaster, highest within 2-3 days, if you are serious reading it, or if 6 days, 1 week is enough for you to read this book, right? But then if you are sure you don't have the time to even read, remember, like I said, we've read it for you in our channel. We've read it for you in our channel. Again, you must know that this book is set in a place called Lekki in Lagos, right? Lekki is a place in Lagos. It's about the principal of a school. The name of the school is Stardom School. Stardom School is in Lekki, Lagos. It's actually a big man school. The whole crux of the matter is that this man, the principal, has been with the school for over 20 years, more than 2 decades. In fact, he was even a headmaster in the school, in their primary section, before he got promoted to now become the headmaster of the secondary section. But there was now a twist when his family, his wife and 2 children are based in the United Kingdom, UK. They are outside the country. The wife is a nurse, and the 2 children are also there with her. And they now want him to leave Nigeria and come over to UK. That is the whole summary of the story. But then when I send you this book, or when you get it, when you register, you will be able to get all the facts. Do you understand? You will be able to get all the facts. Go ahead right now, subscribe, like, share this video. When you subscribe, tell me you have subscribed, and when you go to register, ensure you are not cheated, that you get a copy. And please start reading now. Start doing what? Reading now. Click on this video and watch this video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch immediately.